Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't been filming all year. Actually, no, I didn't have a phone. It broke. I destroyed the charging port on it. Ooh, my bad. Well, now I got a new phone for my early birthday present from my mom and dad, but yeah. This video is going to be working on Ruby, the 72 f250. What we need to do is tune the carburetor, which I left the papers inside, which I was going to do. We need to change one of these front gaskets because it leaks. I was going to do brakes, but I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going in here. I'm pressing on this brake pedal. It's nice and stiff. I don't know. And it's not frozen. It's not frozen. So I don't know what it was, but we need to get it tuned and stuff. I need to clean the interior and stuff. And maybe if I have enough time, I'll clean the bed. Yeah. You see this nice bed liner that my grandpa put on. Need to cheer that rear mirror out. I'll maybe do some more wiring. I kind of ran out the proper wire nuts, but oh, geez, my eyes suck. I can't look at lights. Yeah, but yeah. I'm gonna go get my papers and we will start this video out. Hey, I got a tripod for Christmas. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this setup, guys, instead of me jiggling around the camera and stuff. Let me know, guys. The tripod also counts as a holding one too, so comment down below also if this is less shaking and stuff. Hold on. Well, next clip I'll see if this phone comes with stability control, but yeah, holy carburetor. What I need to do is get this all taken apart and do the front gasket because it leaks badly. So I'm gonna get that off and come back. So I broke out in laughter when I found out what this gasket looks like. Boy, this thing is more shrunken up a sponge than a sponge is sitting out all night. Wow. None of those holes really line up. Look at the bottom here. Wow. So I hope in this carb kit right I have down here, it has one. I don't know. Let's have to open up and see, guys. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. There. Oh. Ain't looking good for me. Ain't looking good. Where's the nice shiny suit up one? I think that's it. Oh, that's odd because I would think it would look better than that. That had some good gaskets in. I'm gonna take that one out and yeah, use it. So I'll get back to you guys after I do that. Oh, whoops. Okay, got a gasket, but it's a little bit torn at the top. This area. I know everybody in the comment section is gonna go say, "Oh, your car won't run right. It won't run right." I will get a proper one once I get money, but until then, I'm gonna do that. But the next step is what we need to do is crank it until the bowls are full. I got the coil out disconnected, so it shouldn't run or start. Look, that battery my dad said was charged from the stupid thing. Look, it's dead. Oh, you might be saying, oh, well, you must have connected the coil wrong. See, negative is going to, I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's just try the lights out and see if that's a thing. Listen. Nothing. Headlights. Nothing. Nothing. I'm going to get the other battery. Be back. All right, just connected new battery. Oh my goodness. We have life. Well, connection's bad though. I have to charge them. Look at this, Dale. Does the blinkers work? Yeah. So, change of plans right now, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna go put this battery on a charger for half an hour. And while we're doing that, let's go clean the inside and swap that mirror. Alright, this is a part of video where I don't use tripod nor nothing. Just my hands up. Focus. So we're gonna be replacing this because as you can see, it has the bikini bottom special. Older gold miner special by your guys' vision. Whoa. I got here a little bit bigger one. Oh boy, I'm getting fancy here, guys. I'm getting really fancy, guys. Like for that. So I got an Allen wrench, which is the size 1/10, whatever. So what we do? Stick it in. I said it was 1/10. Yeah, well, so you know what to do. Talk about an upgrade. Wow. There I am. Hello. But you can see perfectly outside. And look at nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. That's pretty dope. Mammon's much bigger. Look at this old thing. Look at it. Gold miner special. May not look as bad as camera, but let's go start cleaning in here, guys. Okay, well, on. Oh, that's the clicky clicky. Okay, well, I put my boots on. We go stare off into the abyss. Just kidding. Got my boots on. Had to take them off while cleaning there. But you guys can call me a detailer. Look at this truck. It looks clean. All done in 5 minutes. See? You have a dirty vehicle? Don't be afraid. Go outside and clean her up. Or him. But, yeah. I'm still wondering what these seats are to. I don't think they're to a Mustang. Maybe they're thinking a Mercury. I don't know. Because they're comfortable. Oh, if anyone knows where floor mats are, yeah, that'd be nice. Maybe I'll have them start sharing my email so you guys can, I don't know. Yeah, but boy, this truck looks nice. Oh, I almost forgot. Guys, we got a sponsor. A small channel like me with only 95 subs right now. We have a proper sponsor. Thank you so much, whoever you are. Our today's sponsor is the Smash Jeep Corporation. If you ever are feeling anger or, you know, want to get rid of some stress, yeah, the Smash Jeep Corporation got you back, my guys and girls, if anyone's watching. But of course, I don't have sponsors. No one would sponsor me. But if you got anger, need to relieve, bam! Just kick the doors. Kick anywhere you want. Look at that nice bow. Yeah. Bam. Yeah. The neighbors are gonna think you're shooting, but we should get have fun. Bam. So call 1-800-SMASH-THE-JEEP today so you guys can have fun smashing the Jeep. Thank you for the Smashing Jeep Corporation for today's sponsor. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for Smash the Jeep Corporation. This video wouldn't be possible without them. So, yeah. So, while the battery's still charging, I'm like, whew, what else? Yeah. Let's go clean out this. So, I'm gonna have my tripod here. For now, I'm gonna put there. Don't worry. I'm gonna put something there, and it's called my imagination. My imagination is gonna go right there, so the stuff don't get dirty. Don't worry, people. Don't worry. Nothing's gonna get harmed. So let's get to it. All right, guys. Like I said, everything's gonna go in the safe place. Be careful. There. Oh, pretty special. Hey, see? This Starliner stuff is gonna go off to your right. Oh, we're getting elite here, guys. We got electrical cables. Those. Right there. Truck parts. They're the old truck. They're the truck out there's parts. Ignore the ducks, it's just an audio glitch. There's a lot of junk. Hey, if anyone sees any Jeep 05 through it's at 0405 through 010 Jeep Grand Cherokee parts, limited, let me know in the comment section below. I'll give you my email and Yeah, like you see this mirror? This for sale. All of these Jeep parts are for sale. This glove box is for sale. Those sun visors I put on a washcloth like this. Don't worry, don't worry. It went on a washcloth. Don't worry. I know yours think I just toss it in the snow. Hey, I know better. I know better not to toss it in the snow. I definitely did do that. So yeah, this ain't for sale though. Yeah, let me guess. Comment down below if you want it. Oh. All right, you might notice it might be like, yeah, because the front tire's a little low. I don't care, but nice and clean. There we are. Yeah, not 100% clean, but you get the pressure washer out, and as you can see, don't look at down. No, why do you look there? I told you I put everything nicely. Now I have to zap your brain. Well, hold on. You gotta turn on zap brain. I gotta zap your brain until you forget. There you go. You didn't see nothing, lads. So, yeah. Guess what I'm gonna do, lads? I'm gonna put most of his stuff back in. At least the seats. Because that stuff, back in. Most of it. This stuff I'll find somewhere else. No. But, I ain't gonna waste your time doing that. So, yeah. So this, after that, it's gonna get too late. Either I'll come out here at night or after dinner and do it, or I'll wait till tomorrow. I'm waiting till tomorrow because I want you guys to have better lighting. Because yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some lighting. So be back, guys. Ooh, before and all right. This is the next day. Battery's all charged. So I'm gonna try to crank it up until the fuel gets into the bolt. I should put that back in. Well, I'm gonna go get some vacuum hoses right after this for that. So don't need to worry. But here it is. Oops. There. Into. Well, ain't using it. vacuum hoses. Well, now we don't have any timing advance on the carb. So gonna hook these up, and I'm gonna go try and look for some vacuum hoses. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, I got a couple options here. I think I just dropped one. If none of these work, I just have to cut that end that broke on that other one. Use it. Oh, jingle bells. Kind of late though. Why? It fit. Good enough. All right, get these away from the battery. Positive, negative are in the right spots. Make sure I'm not frying the truck. All right, and so let's go check. Right off the bat, I already see the bowl all filled up, or filter. Wow, impressive. Freaking fuel leaks. Also impressive. Little gangster here ain't even hooked up to nothing. Oh gosh. Oh man. I ain't gonna have this truck burnt down to the ground because some darn carburetor. So I'm gonna also find another carburetor that this one maybe. I don't know. Could find some carburetor that would work. Cause that one's still leaking rubbish. Okay, yeah, I'm done with that carburetor. I got it off. I'm gonna put on this one. Gasket ain't the best. I said that yesterday, and look what happened. I had to take the whole carburetor off. Now I'm gonna need to find a gasket that goes over that. I don't want to use that one since it's a big old hole. So I'll be right back to you guys. After a miserable hour or two, after many carburetors, I got one on. I don't know if it's good or not, but one way to find out is crank it until the bowl fills up with fuel. Let's go and wiggle around these wires so we can start. No, so I can crank. That's who knows when, how those gaskets are though. Oh wow, wow, wow. What a surprise, guys. Man, I think Mr. Beast provided us. Good. Now, there's freaking gasoline everywhere. Oh shoot, that's my bad. That's absolutely my bad. Forgot to hook up the throttle thing. Try this again. Well, dang it. If they won't stop being junk, I'm done. This makes me mad. I'm done. Alright guys, I have to end the video here today. I deeply apologize for absolutely nothing really got done, but this life, you can never get anything right. You can see 1, 2, 3, 5 carbs. I tried 5 different carburetors, and none of these other carburetors will work. Gaskets. Gaskets is the worst thing ever. Now, you gotta sit carbless until I can get some gaskets. What was I gonna say? Well, not happy, but it's life. Next week, I'm going to do something for Christine. Or do something big because of my birthday. I don't know. But do something welding. Maybe I'll have this started because I know that don't leak gas unless this. So guys, let me get in the light. Where did my hat go? See, everything is going wrong. But please go check out Hodgepodge Garage, your bump side garage, Roadside Rescue, Classic Car Revivals, Whiskey Dents, who else am I forgetting? Well, if I don't say their names, I'll have I'll have links for them in the description. But thank you guys for watching this video. At least we got the bed and here all clean, and we got our first sponsor. That's quite amazing. Maybe I'll try another video, but yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next week.